Reach SAI is bringing sentience to artificial intelligence. We look forward to meeting you at the Collision Conference in Toronto. SAI is something different than AI. It's based upon how brains work. Molecular signaling, circuits, and behavior principles in software create robots and digital characters that humans can interact with personally. They emulate three major features of life, including learning, emotions, and spontaneity, and they learn through both long-term and short-term memory. They have internal emotional systems that interact with human emotional systems. They produce spontaneous behavior. And what's most important is that they don't require large data sets or lots of memory, processing capacity, or power to do this. We're bringing sentience to AI, something that hasn't taken place to date. We'll demonstrate this through three proven technologies. An app that shows digital creatures interacting with the humans as well as themselves, displaying learning and various states of emotion. We have an interactive artwork that interacts with a human who's observing it and assesses their emotional state. We have videos of physical robots and toys on which the technology has been installed to demonstrate how they work. We'll discuss the collaborative model that is at the heart of how Reach SAI is bringing its technology to the real world. If you have questions, contact us at these numbers, this email address, and visit us on our website. We look forward to seeing you in Toronto.